Tornado GR1, call sign Madras 1, returning from a low-flying sortie. But this was not part of the flight plan.
Pan, Laverick, Madras 1, Pan.
Madras 1, Laverick, Pan at noise, pass your message.
Madras 1, 10 miles east of Point Whiskey with a bird strike and a right-hand system hydraulics failure. Requesting an undercarriage inspection, fly past, followed by an approach and cable engagement.
Madras 1, roger, that's all approved for runway 09 QNH 1017 and the circuit's clear.
091017.
Emergency state 2, tornado with right-hand hydraulic failure 10 miles to the east.
Aircraft emergency state 2, tornado aircraft 2 POB. Approach end Rhag engagement.
With limited control over the aircraft and a high probability of brake failure, the pilot will have to rely on the airfield's arresting gear, or Rhag, which is designed to stop aircraft and save lives. To save lives. So clearly, a full understanding of the gear is vital to ensure that you don't lose your Rhag. Rhag, the Rotary Hydraulic Arresting Gear, is simple, robust, and very effective. The gear consists of two energy absorption units, or EAUs, one either side of the runway, and each containing an hydraulic braking system and a drum of nylon tape. The hook cable is held under tension by the tapes and is kept clear of the runway surface by a series of rubber cable supports, or grommets. When the arrestor hook engages the cable, the tapes are pulled off the drums, automatically activating the hydraulic braking systems which slow the drums and bring the aircraft to a halt. The runway edge sheaves not only limit the tape sweep area during engagements to minimize damage to the tapes, but the twin rollers enable the Rhag to be engaged by aircraft approaching from either direction. They also help to keep the tape vertical and in line with the tape drum, which makes rewinding easier and reduces tape wear. A second sheave, the absorption sheave, prevents the tape from twisting as it guides it on and off the drum. For the tape to pay out smoothly, it must be tightly and evenly wound, and this is achieved by using a pressure roller, which also helps to prevent the tape snatching or spilling off the drum during an arrest. The roller is pulled hard against the tape by a bungee cord, whose tension is maintained with a pull-lift winch. The energy absorption unit, or EAU, works like this. A shaft connects the tape drum to a vaned rotor, which turns between two sets of stators in the hydraulic chamber, which is filled with a water glycol solution. As the tape is pulled off, the rotor generates turbulence in the chamber, creating the resistance needed to brake the drum and halt the aircraft. Normally, there are 2 Rhags per runway, approximately 400 meters from each end. They are used to stop aircraft at the overrun end following aborted takeoffs, or to stop landing aircraft either at the approach end or the overrun end.